Regarding noise pollution, committee was informed that your APSPCB was monitoring the noise level and at 6 locations manually, and 5 new real-time noise monitoring stations were the process of being installed, municipal solid waste, etc. I would also like to know the present status of above projects and programs and how far this would be effectively in solving the problems of pollution in Visakhapatnam and Hyderabad cities. District Collector Visakhapatnam may also inform the committee about the problems, if any, faced in implementation of Green Visakha campaign. See, Green Visakha campaign should be collectively appraised us by Sanjeev Kumar, Sanjay, who is the pollution in charge, with the Association of District Collector and Huda Vice Chairman, and of course Chairman Jayan Kondapi is there. The Vice Chairman Visakhapatnam Urban Development Authority may like secretaries to apprise the committee of the roadmap drawn by the respective department to mitigate pollution and contribute towards the better and healthier environment. Now turning to industries and companies and banks located in Hyderabad, its vicinity, committee is concerned about the negative impact of mining of Andhra Pradesh. I also would like to know the CMD, National Mineral Development Corporation, environment pollution and associated activities. Of course, NMDC, I know they are not doing in the state alone, they are doing in different parts of the country, but they can generally inform how they are doing it. Environmental norms. I may also apprise of the activities undertaken under corporate social responsibility of all the PSUs, profit-making PSUs. Committee believes that banks can play a crucial role in environmental pollution mitigation by offering soft credits to industries and adoption of switchover to environment this thing. So in fact, the banks, the Chairman of State Bank of India, Chairman of Canara Bank, and Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda, Indian Bank, Central Bank, Syndicate Bank, Vijaya Bank, all the chairmen happen to give the deliberations in Delhi in various occasions. Now I am Mr. Rajendran, Andhra Bank Chairman, being Hyderabad. We are going to take from you. And banks under corporate social responsibility may undertake activities aimed at making environmental clean and green. In this meeting, I would like to know from CMD Andhra Bank of measures taken by banks for mitigation, environment pollution and maintenance of ecological balance. As regards Visakhapatnam, industrial units located in around Vizag may apprise the committee about the progress made in pollution mitigation in general and sapling plantation in particular since the last meeting. Chairman in charge VPT may apprise us about the steps taken to maintain harmony between the port development and environment protection, measures adopted to mechanize and modernize its facilities. The committee during last visit had expressed concern about open handling of coal by Visakhapatnam port and has promised to prepare a master plan for environmental angle. The committee would like to know the progress made in this regard. I also may apprise that to what extent the Port Trust has been able to fulfill its commitment towards the Green Visakha campaign made and by its proposed to meet target planning 7,50,000 saplings agreed to by it. Chairman Hindustan Shipyard may apprise the committee about scrap and noise pollution control measures initiated by its organization. Then in today's meeting, I would also like to know from the Flag Officer Commander-in-Chief, Eastern Naval Command, present here as to roadmap between the ensure the safety and security of coastal areas without causing damage to environment and extent to which they have been able to contribute towards green and clean Visakhapatnam. I would like to know from the in charge of country's most sophisticated ship repair yard engaged in the maintenance of modern warships, submarines, about pollution abatement measures and plantation activities undertaken by them in dockyard. CMD Rashtriya Ispat Nigam, Vizag Steel Plant, only Indian shore-based steel plant may apprise the committee about the extent of pollution caused by the plant and efforts made for controlling it. He may also apprise the committee as to how the Vizag Steel Plant is complying with the relevant environmental norms, standards applicable to the operations, the manner in which it's fighting with the phenolic spillage, etc. I would also like to know the progress plantation of activities undertaken by it. I would also like to know from the GM East Coast Railways about the steps taken, GM and also the member mechanical railway board, Mr. Pandey. I would like to know the steps taken to reduce the CO2 emission per passenger per ton of freight emission and emission of pollutants.